Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys call ID announcement setting, how to use. So friends, in your oppo mobile you want to on call ID announcement setting. So friends, now let's see how to on oppo mobile call ID announcement setting one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your oppo mobile, how to turn on call ID announcement setting. Open your device phone call setting. After turning by phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile, click here right side three dot, and first of all you can check your oppo mobile call history settings. Second, you can use setting option. Tap on your setting, call setting you can use. So friends, scroll down here. First of all you can check your blocked number. And friends, in your oppo mobile, in your android mobile, you have blocked any contact number, so you cannot receive call from blocked number, and you cannot receive SMS text messages from blocked number. First of all, unblock number you can receive call, you can receive text messages. Friends, click here display option setting. You want to change your dialer theme, you want to use your dialer light theme, you want to use your dialer dark theme, so you can use. If you click here, so you can set your dialer default theme. Quick response setting you can use. Sound and vibration setting you can use. So friends, second last option you can use call ID announcement setting. Advanced setting friends, you can use advanced setting. Second of first option caller ID announcement setting. Friends, you can see announce caller ID setting. The caller name and number will be read out for incoming call in your oppo mobile. So friends, you want to use announce caller ID setting. So friends, click here always option setting, and you can use oppo mobile call ID announcement setting. And friends, you don't want to use in your oppo mobile caller ID announcement setting, you don't want to, or you don't want to use announce caller ID setting. So friends, click here never option. So friends, in your phone your call will not announce. So like that friends, you can use oppo mobile call setting, and you can own your oppo mobile call ID announcement setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To have any doubt, if any problem in oppo mobile setting, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends. Friends, if you click here always, so you can use call ID announcement setting for incoming call. If you click here never option, so you cannot use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys, thank you.